This is your LED light with 150 ultra bright LEDs, the open sign, and a number of colors. As you can control the light brightness, bring it down or increase the bright level. You can have 14 different modes, pointing the remote control up to 33 feet away. You can speed it up or slow it down. We're going to show you what the light open sign is all about. This is exTopGoal. Comes in two easy ways to use: the hand remote control and the wired remote control. A 10 by 30 inch open sign. Check online for further details about the colors. They give you a small come in, we're open business hours sign, Monday through Sunday. On the other side is all your stickers to place on in blue as well, closed. We have an instruction guide laid on top. Packaging laid out in foam, nicely presented to all. We have two packages we'll get to in a second, and the sign OPEN. We have the power cable located in the center. As we open and take out the interior foam, please be careful with the wired cable and the additional boxes. It is made of metal, acrylic plastic that opens up with the LEDs, COB, of open. The three boxes contain your chain link for the hooks, the remote controller that can be put on a lanyard with a battery, and the supplied cable for extension of hooking up. 7 levels of lighting, 14 modes of choosing, 7 levels of speed, and a 30-foot range distance. Please pull the tab off so the battery is activated with the off and on and the 5D joystick wheel. The climber's hook open and close. They fit on the sign over here. Simply snap in by pressing down on the acrylic in the hole, and repeat for the other side. Hang up in the window with the chain. Adjust and level. Connect your leads, extension leads, to the power to an outlet. When plugging in for the first time, it may turn on. We have a remote control for the on, bright to see during the daytime. These are ultra bright, high density LED lights that can be seen 500 feet away. On the joystick or on the controller over here, on the wire we have the on and off, dim up, dim down, and mode. So we turn the unit on. As we decrease and change the modes, you can see all the lights light up. We'll brighten it up via the controller. There are 6 steps, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps on here. We have a speed of slow and fast, and the mode. Mode number 2, slow down. Speed number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 speeds. Mode number 3, mode number 4, mode number 5, mode number 6, mode number 7, mode number 8, mode number 9, Mode number 10, 11, 12, 13, and back to the original mode, 14. We'll demonstrate this in the window, hanging up in the evening hours and the daytime in the front, and show you what it looks like. If you have a corner you want to hang on to the wall and it's a 30-degree to 90-degree, you can do that as well. It has hinges that bend to open. With the LED kit, we have a open sign that you can put down your hours of open and close. And when you close, you can have your hours as well. And if you have a door, you have a pull and a push sign. So you can hang it up, put it on the door handle, and say, hey, you need to pull the door. Your hobby, your storefront, an expo, a business, commercial, residential, just showing that you want to be open and brighten up to the brightest level and changing to the different modes. You're able to see the open LED sign, the ultra bright LEDs. They come in a number of colors. You could change the speed from fast to slow and change the different modes. So if you're looking for an open sign, bright for the daytime, and show you what it looks like at nighttime with a memory save. So here we are in the low light. As you can see the sign, I will run through the modes for you. We'll give it a couple of seconds to run its course. The open sign. Do check online for different types of colors they offer. You can speed up. You can slow down the flash. You can lower the brightness level. And you can increase the brightness level. It can be seen over 500 feet away. And the controls could be ran 33 feet up to. And this is the open sign. It is a on and off switch ran by 110 volt. Close-up look at it on and the speed of the light, fast and slow. The low light in increments, 6 different levels and 14 different modes. This is the brightest one of them all, with all the lights on and solid. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.